Good evening. Cautiously optimistic. That's the main message coming out of the governor's coronavirus update today, saying we must keep moving slow in our fight and not make the same mistakes we did last time. Here's News 13's Brittany Bade.
Jess, cases are starting to go down again, but remember, we first started seeing a major spike, especially in younger people, when restaurants started reopening and after the 4th of July holiday. Dr. David Scrace delivering a warning today.
I would just beg people, based on what we saw after 4th of July here in New Mexico, to start planning now for a nice stay-at-home Labor Day weekend with the people you live with.
Dr. Scrace says new data shows it is taking 1/3 of patients longer than 2 to 3 weeks to get better, and specifically in people ages 18 through 34, 20% of patients are not getting better within that time period. Now, an area where the state is doing much better is in long-term care facilities, now ranking 32nd in the U.S. for COVID cases per capita. The only change the governor made to the public health order is allowing people to once again visit loved ones living in a facility with PPE and social distancing in these select 21 New Mexico counties that have a spread rate lower than 5%. Much of southeast New Mexico is noticeably absent on that list as their percentage of positive cases is increasing. New Mexico is once again back to red in a sea of dark red, signaling some progress toward reopening within the gating criteria. However, Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham says normal is still a long ways off.
As long as there's not a vaccine, we're living in COVID. As long as we're living in COVID, we have to talk about testing and cases and contact tracing and the gating criteria. We have to mourn the losses every single day, every single week in New Mexico. It's harsh, but it doesn't mean that we aren't beating back the virus.
Dr. Scrace saying today contact tracing is working. The state is very close to contacting positive cases within 24 hours and people they have had contact with within 36 hours. Testing is also improving. The number of tests per day reached more than 7,500 this week, well above the 5,000 goal. Back to you, Jess.
All right. Thank you, Brittany. The public health order has been extended through August 28th.